When your team uses dozens of different passwords, it can lead to all sorts of different problems. The solution is simple. Create a dedicated password directory in Planfix. Its biggest advantage? Flexible access control. For example, you can make a specific password entry visible to only one employee while keeping it hidden from everyone else. By default, a directory is visible to all users, so the first step is to adjust permissions. To do this, simply navigate to Permissions and remove the All Employees group. Now you can grant access only to specific users or employees. You can also allow them to view, edit, or delete entries depending on the level of access they need. This way, only people who actually need the password manager will be able to see it. Now let's set up the password manager itself. First, create a new directory and add the necessary fields of the line type. For example, title, URL, login, and password. To make working with the directory easier, enable the Show in Entry List option for each field. For the URL field, you can also enable the Display as Link. Now save your settings and you're ready to start adding entries. All you need to do is simply fill in the fields with the required information. You can also share access to a password entry directly within a task. Just add the necessary directory to a comment. If your directory becomes too large, you can use a filter to find what you're looking for quickly. Just type the name, select the directory, and send a comment with a notification to the teammate who needs access. Now all your passwords are securely stored in one place. With straightforward, easy-to-use access management is straightforward. No more lost credentials or security worries. Planfix takes care of it for you.